Have you ever wondered why some gardens flourish while others struggle? The secret might just lie beneath your feet. Welcome to the captivating world of Loamy love, where we explore the art of pairing plants and seasonal care that promises a thriving garden. Loam soil is often heralded as the gardener's dream. It embodies that perfect balance of sand, silt, and clay, creating an environment where roots can breathe and nutrients can circulate effortlessly. But having loamy soil is merely the beginning. The magic happens when you pair the right plants together. Some plants love to grow in clusters, sharing moisture and nutrients, while others prefer their own space. Companion planting is the practice of designing your garden to mimic this natural harmony. Imagine marigolds protecting your tomatoes from nematodes, or beans fixing nitrogen in the soil, benefiting neighboring crops. There's a symbiotic relationship at play, one that knows no season. The changing seasons introduce new variables. Spring signals a time to revitalize your soil with compost, ushering in fresh energy for new growth. Summer's warmth demands vigilance in watering, ensuring plants stay hydrated, yet not drowned. Come autumn, fallen leaves offer nature's own mulch, insulating roots against winter's chill. Each step in the gardening calendar is an opportunity to nurture and prepare for the next phase. But how do you ensure that your loamy love lasts all year? It's about listening to your garden's needs and responding with considered attention. Adjust your plant companions as required, rotating them to prevent soil depletion, and continuously amending the soil to enhance its structure. In the end, creating a harmonious garden isn't just about which plants you choose, but how you care for them as the seasons turn. It's a delicate dance of observation and action, rewarding those who immerse themselves fully in its rhythm. Your garden becomes an ecosystem thrumming with vitality, a testament to the power of loamy love.